Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon. Today we're diving into a complete tutorial on how to use Coinex. If you're new to the platform or looking to get the most out of your trading experience, then this video is for you. Make sure to stick around till the end to get all the details and use the referral code g69h3 to start trading on Coinex and enjoy some great bonuses. Let's start with setting up your Coinex account. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Create an account. Go to the Coinex website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and agree to the terms and conditions. You will receive a verification email. Click the link to verify your account. 2. Verify your identity. To enhance your account security and increase your transaction limits, complete the KYC verification. Upload a photo ID and a selfie holding the ID. This process usually takes a few minutes to a few hours. Next, let's look at how to deposit and withdraw funds. 1. Deposit funds. Log in to your Coinex account, go to the Assets section, and select Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, copy the wallet address, and transfer the funds from your external wallet. 2. Withdraw funds. To withdraw, go to Assets and select Withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency, enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm the transaction and complete any necessary security checks. For example, if you're depositing Bitcoin, ensure you send it to the correct Bitcoin wallet address provided by Coinex. Now, let's move on to trading. 1. Spot trading. Navigate to the Exchange section. Choose your trading pair, such as BTC USDT. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell, and place your order. You can choose between market orders, instant execution, or limit orders, execution at a specific price. 2. Margin trading. If you want to leverage your trades, go to the Margin section. Ensure you understand the risks associated with margin trading. Choose your trading pair, set your leverage, and place your order. 3. Futures trading. For futures trading, go to the Futures section. Select your contract type and leverage. Enter your order details and place your trade. Futures trading allows you to bet on the price movement of cryptocurrencies without owning them. For example, placing a limit order to buy one BTC at $45,000 ensures that your order will only execute when the price drops to $45,000. Let's talk about managing your funds within the financial account. 1. Financial account setup. Go to Assets and select Financial Account. Transfer funds from your spot account to your financial account. 2. Earning interest. Coinex offers interest-earning products. Choose the product that suits you, transfer your funds, and start earning interest. This is a great way to earn passive income on your crypto holdings. For instance, transferring 1,000 USDT to a financial account and earning 5% annual interest can yield 50 USDT per year. Coinex has a referral program where you can earn rewards by inviting friends. 1. Generate referral link. Go to the Referral section in your account. Copy your unique referral code, G69H3, or link. 2. Share and earn. Share this link with friends and family. When they sign up and start trading, you earn referral rewards based on their trading activity. For example, sharing your referral code G69H3 on social media can help you earn rewards as more people join and trade. It's crucial to keep your account secure. 1. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA by downloading an authenticator app and linking it to your Coinex account. This adds an extra layer of security. 2. Anti-phishing code. Set up an anti-phishing code in your account settings. This code will appear in all official emails from Coinex, helping you verify their authenticity. If you run into any issues, Coinex offers robust customer support. 1. Help Center. Access the Help Center for FAQs and detailed guides. 2. Contact support. For specific issues, use the live chat feature or submit a support ticket through the website. To sum up, understanding and utilizing Coinex's features can help you manage your trading effectively. Don't forget to use the referral code g69h3 to get started with Coinex and enjoy exclusive benefits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more crypto tips and updates. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Coinex, sign up using the referral code G69H3 and start trading today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.